Understanding the impact of 5G on digital marketing. Evolution of digital marketing trends with 5G technology. As 5G technology becomes more widespread, digital marketing trends are expected to shift in response to its capabilities. With faster internet speeds and improved network reliability, marketers will have the opportunity to deliver richer, more engaging content to consumers in real time. Improved mobile marketing strategies in the 5G era. Mobile marketing is set to benefit significantly from the introduction of 5G technology. With faster data speeds and reduced latency, marketers can deliver more personalized and location-based messages to consumers on their mobile devices. Enhancing digital advertising with 5G. The advent of 5G technology will also transform the way digital advertising is delivered to consumers. Marketers can leverage the benefits of 5G network speeds to serve high-quality video ads seamlessly across multiple devices. Leveraging marketing automation in the 5G era. This level of automation will enable businesses to deliver more timely and relevant content to their target audience, ultimately driving greater engagement and conversion rates. Harnessing data analytics in the age of 5G. This data can be used to gain deeper insights into consumer behavior and preferences, allowing marketers to tailor their strategies more effectively. Data analytics in the 5G era will empower businesses to make data-driven decisions and optimize their marketing campaigns for better results. Conclusion. In conclusion, the impact of 5G on digital marketing is poised to be transformative, from improved internet speed and connectivity to enhanced marketing automation and data analytics capabilities. Businesses that embrace 5G technology